Details emerge as the Electric Mayhem are still missing. Muppet Newsflash has confirmed band member Animal was spotted with rock legend Travis Barker just last night, as seen in these exclusive images. Joining us now is Travis Barker. Travis, do you care to comment on the whereabouts of your fellow passionate and personable percussionists?
Nice, thank you. Look, this isn't like me. They're real rock stars, okay? And real rock stars care about one thing.
Punctuality?
No, they're bands. I mean, listen to them out there. The Mayhem will be here. Come on, guys. You're band.
Danny, can you get me on the schedule with that classical music tutor? Turns out my father was worse than my bike.
All the way across the room. The beat band is easy distracting, so please don't buy photography or video lighting, and please don't sit on the handrail.
Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. Scooter? What's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
Is Vertiger's rocking the road? Vertiger's rocking the road.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
So I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
How we feel about a band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
This has to be Alex on the flat on that plan.
Sure will be a gentle and relaxing ride to the concert. Oh, maybe not. Let's catch our guests at the concert audio.
How about we continualize the tempo of Peter Sergeant Pepper, Sergeant Floyd Pepper, care to do the young on his arm? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Concerts
All right, now you gotta ride again, get all the ribbons.
Oh, crazy. You look happy.
Thank you.
And let's do it's a lot. I can run away from it.
No, I want to put it everywhere. Thank you, I appreciate you. Hold this one second. That's yours, right? Then hold it, okay? Give me a thing.